For the function h, define h of x is equal ax squared plus 8. A is constant and h of 2 is equal 4. What is value of h of negative 2? So we have here given quadratic function ax squared plus 8. And what we can say about this function is even. Why? Because when we have to find h of negative x, what we have to do, we have to substitute x by negative x. So a we copy, we will have negative x to second power plus 8. So this is equal a negative x to second power, so will be x squared plus 8. We got value of our function h of x. So we have that h of negative x is equal h of x. So we can write that function h is even. And when we have even function, value of our h of negative 2, what will be? Will be h of 2. And we have given that h of 2 is equal 4. This is my solution. We have value of our function for negative 2 is 4. Why? Because our h function is even function. The calculation is very easy. The value of negative 2 is equal to value of 2 for our function. Only because we have even function. This is my solution.